Good morning, students. Today we are proceeding, or we have reached on the last segment of the chapter, that is forms of power sharing. So, before starting the segment or before starting this particular topic, we have to understand some basic thing, like which I have tried to make on the paper to make you understand. Like in democracy, one of the main thing is that federal structure. Federal structure is what? Like power sharing, we are discussing the division of power, we must know, like where the power is divided. So, like in India or in a democracy, most of it has happened. Like the federal structures come under two different things. Like one is label, that is, another is organ. This organ. So label and organ are the two main pillar. Like if we say label, what is label? Last year, if you remember, I also told you label is that powers are divided between three form of government, among three form of government, that is central, state level, local level. And this particular form of power sharing is called vertical power sharing. This is vertical. You understand? Vertical. And another is that organ, when we are talking about, it is horizontal, means like this. See here, horizontal. Horizontal, one is legislative, another is executive, third one is judiciary. So this is horizontal power sharing of structure. It comes in exam, sometimes directly it is asked, another time like horizontally and vertically the structure is asked. So everything we have to divide, we have to tell like what happens to central, what happens to state and local, and legislative to executive and judiciary. So this is the federal structure, because here we will read them only the, you can say, form of power is sharing of form of power, that is our four manner it is shared. So firstly we must know that label and organ, they are very much easy. Another are that on other way how it can be shared, like among the social different group, and I like among all you can say political parties and pressure groups. So these four are main where the forms of power sharing we will discuss. Okay, let's begin. So, the idea of power sharing has emerged in the opposition of the notion of undivided political power. Means undivided political power division is not like that. Some issues are there only to run the country smoothly or for better administration. This has done by our leader, or it is written in the constitution. For the long time, it was believed that all power of the government must reside in one person or group of person located at one place. It was felt that if a power is decided to disperse, it would not be possible to take the quick decision and enforce them. But these notions have changed the emergence of the democracy. The basic principle of democracy is that people are source of all political power. Means politicians or politics, it's not having its own existence. It is because of the people, because we elect those people and we give to them power to take the decision. If they are doing the all the taking the decision with their own wish, that cannot be called democracy. We know, no need of telling again and again all these norms and conditions, because last year we read each and everything. So in democracy, people rule themselves through institutions of self-governance. In a democratic government, due respect is given diverse group and views that exist in a society. Everyone has a voice in the shaping of public policies. Means in democratic rule, people themselves through institutions of self governance. Means all in all क्या है? People हैं, लोग हैं, जो कि खुद रूल करते हैं. मतलब if we go in Hindi, democratic, what is democratic? Demo means you can say people and democratic means rule. Democratic means people are ruling. कौन लेकिन किसके बिहाफ पे है वो? Politicians जो है उनके बिहाफ पे रूल करते हैं. किसके? We people. So in good democratic government, due respect is given to diverse group. तो means diverse group, different kind of groups, views existed in society, उनको सब ये पार है. Everyone has the voice in shaping the public policies. Means everyone, and a single person, a common person can raise his voice. Therefore, it follows that in democracy, political power should be distributed among as many as possible, many citizens as possible. कितनों को भी दी जा सकती है ये power. Like in modern democracies, power sharing arrangements can take many forms. अगर इसको हम सब लिमिट कर दें फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो ये है क्या? दिस पावर शेयर कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 सेगमेंट. लेट अस टेक सम ऑफ मोस्ट कॉमन अरेंजमेंट्स that we will come across. The first is that power is shared among the organs of the government. Now you understood the organs. Organ means legislative, executive and judiciary. Let us call this horizontal distribution of power. That's why I taught you first on the page. You can understand this. So power share, horizontal distribution of the power distribute to allow different organs of the government placed at the some level to exercise different powers, such as the separation ensures none of the organ can exercise unlimited power. Why this power sharing is decided between these 3 organs, so that any of the organ cannot use the unnecessary power. Means like legislative. Legislative, who are the legislative? Remember, they are the member of parliaments. They are the member of legislative assembly, means the leaders. Okay, they cannot use the unlimited power. Executives who are executive like prime minister, president, election commission, they are the executive who you can say implement the laws. Another is judiciary. Means judiciary, all in all, it is the respect is given, that means it provides justice. So these or particularly can check the power of each other. Judiciary can check power of both, and these can check power of each other. Sometimes judiciary also checked by the legislative or executive. So each organ checks the other, and this resulted in balance of power among the various institutions. Last year, we studied in democracy even through ministers and government officials exercise the power. Remember the institution, working for institution, the chapter, there we read all things. Means who is using more power and less power, 5 political and non-political members. So the arrangement is called the system of check and balance. This system organs is called check and balance ka system hai. Means they can check the power of each other, and because of that they keep the balance. Another is power can be shared among the governments at different level. Local level, state level, central level. So a general government for the entire country, and governments are provincial and regional. Provincial means prantiya, that is regional, state. Provincial and regional state general government for the entire country is usually called federal government. In India, we refer to it the central or the union government. Means federal structure, I told you, this federal government, it is called particularly, the level is federal structure. This federal structure is called union government, means central government. And the government at the provincial or regional level are called by different name in the different countries. Like in India, we call the them state governments, and this system is not followed in all countries. Means different names are given of other. And there are many countries where there are no provincial or state government, but those countries like ours, where there are different level government, and the constitution clearly lays down parts of different level government. That is why they did in Belgium, but the refuses Sri Lanka. Means we have seen the 2 examples.